Hey everyone, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Josh Collier. I am the co-founder of Leverage AI alongside my business partner Kevin Jacobson Jr. Today I'm excited to share a walkthrough with you of a demo showcasing GHL's new AI employee product. GHL launched this impressive voice AI feature that's still in its early stages, which is great news considering how good it already is. But my team here at Leverage has been working to add even more functionality to the existing setup to make it as powerful as possible, as early as possible. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how we're enhancing the AI employee service and provide a walkthrough so you can do the same. Specifically, since the voice AI feature can't currently book appointments, I'll share with you what our team has built as a workaround to make that functionality possible. I'll demonstrate how we developed that workaround by passing information and custom variables within the voice AI conversation over to the chat AI and then using that to book and secure the appointment after the call ends. So GHL's development team is set to release this feature soon. So this is less about the functionality itself and more about your ability to make things happen that aren't currently possible. And that's what positions you as an expert. And it's exactly how we got to where we are now. Real quick, if you haven't signed up for the unlimited plan, now might be the time to check it out because it's only 97 bucks a month or pay as you go. So you literally have zero excuse to not try it out. And that's coming from somebody that's invested around $32,000 in voice AI technology over the past 18 months. I did it so that you don't have to, so that you can know that what you're getting with this AI employee product is worth its weight in gold. It's incredibly rare to find a tool with this level of functionality at this price point. So be sure to take advantage of it and thank Sean and the team over at HighLevel for making it so accessible for your business. So let's dive into the training, shall we? All right, so here we are in the sub-account settings underneath AI agents, and I went into the agent goals section and I'm in the update contact field action. Now I'm just going to show you the actions that you need to have in place to make sure that the workflow works properly. Not really going to dive into prompt engineering or anything like that. What we're looking for are 5 fields: email, first name, date and time. This is the most important, along with the call transcript and the last name. So the date and time is what we're going to hand off to the workflow to see if it was filled. And then the transcript, we're going to analyze to see if the date and time field is accurate. So let's go ahead and move on over into the workflows themselves. Okay, now we are here in the GHL Voice post call actions workflow. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up each one of these things so you can kind of see over on the side how to configure each one of the steps, but I'm just going to come and show you another one of the features of the AI employee product, which is the describe this workflow button. Describe this workflow. By the way, while it does that, I will say that you want to allow re-entry on this, so leads can come through as many times as they want. Now, step 1, initial check. The workflow checks if certain conditions about the contact details are met. If yes branch condition is satisfied, it continues to the next step. So the branches are yes, date and time for booking, is not empty, and then none branch, no ends. Okay? And then if yes, it goes to analyze the transcript and the prompt here. Okay, you see all the settings there. For GPT-4o is the model. And if it found a date and your step is the branch is yes, analyze transcript to get the requested time response does not contain false. And then the none branch no is a go-to step. And then if it is different from what is found, it will update that. And then what's going to happen is you are then going to come into the appointment scheduling aspect of things. And then if a date and time are found, it updates the contact's date and time for booking. Subsequently, an appointment is booked via a custom webhook using the API, providing necessary details like the calendar and contact IDs. This is the custom webhook here. All right. Now, response check. Not booked. All right, this is where we just were. So not booked. Excuse me. All right. Status is not booked. Boom. Post booking, it verifies if the booking was successful. If not, it follows an alternate path where a tag AI off is added to the contact, and an AI bot named Jennifer attempts to reschedule the appointments if the initially requested slot is unavailable. It makes suggestions via SMS, assisting in booking an alternate. All right. And then not booked, none goes to SMS, which is the information, and then booked comes here, build your own. Branch status is not booked. None branch leads to SMS, like we just talked about. And AI off tag is added. It turns off the thing and passes off to the appointment conversational booking AI, which is from the calendar, the voice, GHL voice test calendar. So you want to create that calendar. And then here's the personality. Okay. Tell it that we cannot help with appointments and cancellations or scheduling. You can only let the person know you can help them. You can't help them with that. And then the instructions are this. Now, this is also programmable within the conversational AI version 2, but it's also configurable within the workflow itself. So that's what we did. Here you can see all the conditions. All right, appointment booked, appointment not booked, and then it ends there. So you can see here, communication: if the appointment is successfully booked or connected, an SMS is sent to the contact with the appointment details. And fallbacks, various branches like handle the fallbacks, like if the appointment isn't booked, to guide the workflow through alternate paths to ensure smooth handling of the situation. All right, so that is the workflow. I showed you the configuration. So now let's test it to see if it actually works. Call my favorite local med spa.
Hey, thanks for calling your favorite local med spa. I'm Jennifer. How can I help?
Yeah, I need to schedule an appointment.
Great. What service are you interested in booking? We offer treatments like Botox, dermal fillers, body contouring, and skin rejuvenation.
I think I'm interested in the Botox and also some body contouring.
Awesome choice. When would you like to come in for your Botox and body contouring treatments? We're open Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Can we do tomorrow at 2 p.m.?
Let me check the schedule for you. Just a moment. I'll send you a text after the call to confirm if that time works or if we need to pick another date and time. Sound good?
Yeah, that's fine.
Perfect. Could I have your full name, please?
Joshua Collier.
Thank you, Joshua. Could you please spell your first and last name for me to ensure I have it correctly?
JOSHUACOLLIER.
Got it, Joshua Collier. And could I have your email address to send the appointment details once we secure the time?
Josh@leverage.ai, but leverage is spelled LEV as in Victor, RG.ai.
Thanks for that. Just to confirm, your email is josh@leverg.ai. Is that correct?
V as in Victor, right?
Got it. So it's josh@lev as in Victor ERG.ai. Is that correct?
No, it's LEVRG.ai.
Thank you for clarifying. So it's josh@leverg.ai. Is that correct?
V as in Victor, correct?
Yes, LEV as in Victor RG.ai. Got it. You'll receive an email with all the appointment details once we've confirmed the time. Anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's it.
Great. Thank you for choosing ABC Med Spa, Joshua. We look forward to helping you look and feel your best. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Bye. It ended the call, so we'll see what happens from here. All right, and here we have it, November 4th, 2024 at 8:25 p.m., 1.5 minutes roughly after I was added to the workflow at 8:20 p.m. You can see it says, just want to let you know that the slot you requested isn't available. Would you like to find some time else? I said yes, and it's asked me what time I would like. I said tomorrow 2 p.m. And it said we have a slot for that time at 2 p.m. And you'll notice it's the same time I requested on the call, but it's because I said tomorrow on the call, not Monday, November 4th on the call. So all I have to do is go in and add that into the prompt, that if I say tomorrow, then reference the date that is from tomorrow from that date, and then book that in instead of having to say the exact date. So that's the reason that it was like, no, it's not available, but here's the same time that you asked for it, and that's available. So if we were just adjust the language in the prompt, it would be fine. And so it said we were good, and then I said yes, and then it updated the appointment, and bada bing, bada boom, it's done. It booked the appointment. So the workaround works as long as you have the right language in the prompt, as long as you have the right configuration in the workflow, you should be hunky dory. So if you like this video, be sure to give me a like and a subscribe, and I will see you in the community.